असले तर तुम्ही करून बघू ना मोबाईल काय असं तुम्ही काय करू
येई आता हा
प्रॉब्लेम इनपुटचा आहे ना की काय प्रॉब्लेम त्याचा एनालाइज करतो so that I will now monitor it from head office and I will see that first of all supply should not be tripping at all in the night. आता फ्यूज कॉल असं ते पोया 1-2 दीस गाडी जर नाही आहे गाडी नॉट अ प्रॉब्लम गाडी किती दिला गव्हर्मेंटाक तूं खऱ्योच त्याचो यूज जावपाक बिश्टी चाडून दवरली फकत 10 दीस चल्ले आनी मागीर कांय प्रॉब्लेमूच ना इट्स ऑल्सो नॉट करेक्ट न्ही.
सर पावसात नाही
बरं पावसात येता
पावसात
काम मॅडम 6 months I'll give for the no that cannot be this thing. Underground is not there is not a solution. No JE सांगो JE कितें it is not underground overhead also they have to maintain we have to maintain so how they can say everything underground is not possible no.
Because a few days back there was really bad problem load shedding करीत आसले ताका लागून तो सॉल्व करपाक म्हणून आमी आमच्या स्टीवन आमच्या ई हा आनी सगळे येई जेई ऑफ ऑल द विलेजीस 24 विलेजीसाचे आनी आमच्या मदें आमचो ZP हा सरपंच आहात सगळे डिस्कस सगळे एक गांवचे वॉर्ड मेंबर सरपंचान घेवन त्या येईक घेवन आमी डिस्कस केले. मेन थिंग म्हणल्यार आतां फाल्यांच आमचो एक ट्रान्सफॉर्मर शिवोली इगोजी कडेन लास्ट देवतेर आहा पळय तो वाडयेर दॅट हॅज टू बी कनेक्टेड टू द नेक्स्ट ट्रान्सफॉर्मर ताका HD कर म्हणून सांगलां. पयलीं आमकां ते येईन सांगलेले रोड कटींग करता म्हणून बट रोड कटींग परमिशन आतां पावसांत जायना ताका लागून काम बंद उरलेलें. आतां ताका HD करून तो ट्रान्सफॉर्मर कनेक्ट करून घेतली. फाल्यांच ताका हांवें हूंय ते होल मारतले ते म्हाका करून दी म्हणून सांगलां. सो ते जाले म्हणटकूच आमचे शिवोली मान्ना ओशेल आनी सोडयाचे ट्रिपींग ऑलरेडी सॉल्व जाले 2 मंडे साकून सॉल्व जाले बट इट वील द फ्लक्च्युएशन्स वील गो इवन लेस. मागीर रिक्वेस्ट केला आमच्या स्टीवनाक की आसगांव आनी अंजुना 2 गांव आहा सो टीम एकूच आसता टू लूक आफ्टर फ्लक्च्युएशन्स ऑर ट्रिपींग सो आनी एक टीम घाल म्हणून सांगलेली आहा ते आमच्या सीन दिता म्हणून सांगलां. एन वॉट एवर मायन्यूट एक वॉर्ड मेंबराचे बसून आमच्या जेईन आयज आयकलां. सो आय वूड रियली लायक टू थँक सी फॉर कमींग हियर एंड लिसनिंग टू आवर ग्रीव्हन्सीस आनी आमचो होय सबस्टेशन आमी बेगांचे बेगान इनॉग्रेट करतली आनी सारको प्रॉब्लम आमच्या बार्देजाचो म्हणटा तो स्पेशली आमचे सालिगांव आकालंगूट आनी शिवोलीन सॉल्व जातलो जेन्ना आमचे सालिगांव सबस्टेशन एज सेड बाय सी विदीन 1 month दीस फूल जुलाय पासून तो इनॉग्रेट जातकूच आमचो सालिगांव कलंगूट आनी शिवोली कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सीचो सारकोच प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व जातलो.
हिंगा येवचें पडलें कित्याक लास्ट 10 days मातसो प्रॉब्लेम आशिल्लो. आतां लास्ट 10 days मे बी बिकॉज ऑफ द हीट मे बी न्ही बिकॉज ऑफ द हीट आनी ट्युरिस्ट ऑल्सो मातशे तेका बिकॉज आतां स्कूल हॉलिडेज वा कंप्लीट जाता. So last 10 days the load has increased by 15 to 20 megawatt for the coastal belt and therefore the existing lines and a substation was getting overloaded. Now there are 2 reasons for getting it overloaded. We knew the load is going to come at least 10 to 15% of this area is going to rise. Therefore this Badian substation we were supposed to commission by 15th of May. So it just got delayed because all the commissioning related activities are over of the substation. But external activities like civil works, compound work, such things are remaining. So we wanted to charge it only when everything is completed. Now since the load has increased, we have taken a decision to charge this substation, and we have already charged some feeders. With that, already relief is been given to this area. Secondly, to aggravate this matter, there was one issue with Amona. Amona, one of the big transformer has failed. That also, we have got the spare parts, we have got the additional breakers from ABB Hitachi, and today by midnight, that work also will get over. So we have sufficient load, there is no problem. Temporary overloading was happening because we had not charged this substation, and to add to this, Amona, one of the transformer has failed, which is also done. Now, to give additional relief to North Goa Saligaon substation, 3 into 63 MVA. So that substation is completed in all respect. Few activities, small activities are remaining, which are going to take another month. So right now this problem is resolved. Again, as per the request of the ZP members and the Sarpanch, they have requested for fuse calls in the night because we have only one vehicle. So we have said for the temporary period, for next 6 months till monsoons get over, we will provide an additional vehicle and additional team. So that by which we are going to restore the power supply immediately for any fuse calls in the villages. So this is how, by charging this Bade substation, by replacing the power transformer 50 MVA at Amona and at Saligaon, all these problems are going to be resolved. They are already resolved. So if any
time लागतलो almost because
No, it is-
because पहिला की चडशे
we have observed, we have monitored. So this problem is resolved. Madam also had called me up 3-4 times, and because of which this substation we have charged. So after charging, we had to be kept for 1 day, 24 hours under charged condition. So after that, we have released the load.
So,
But sometime, there are so many calls, you will not be able to connect to 1912. That time, I told them JE and AE should be on site to take care of all these calls. But in normal condition, they cannot answer the calls because they are also sometimes busy in the restoration of line. But in case if the problem is going beyond our this, then they should be here. AE, EE and JE. And right now in front of you all also I have told for monsoon and for this period since the problem had come, JE will answer all the calls.
आणि सर
That's what तुमकां कळटा ते दिसाचे कडेन प्रॉब्लेम्स आसा आसतले. सो पूण रातच्या वेळार ते हायलायट जाता. सो दीस प्रॉब्लेम्स आर रिजॉल्व नाव.
सो ह्या मॉन्सुनान लायटीचो इशू कोणाकूच जावचो ना
जावचो ना. एश्युरन्स म्हणजे आतां समज झाड पडलें, लायन तुटली, देन दोज आर डिफरंट, दे आर नॉट इन आवर कंट्रोल. एक झाड पडल्यार 3-4 पोल पडटा. इन नॉर्मल कंडिशन देन ट्रिपिंग शूड नॉट हॅपन.
सो 2 दीस